Viewers, well, welcome to another banger. It's your boy Scully FX. Today, guys, we're gonna do a quick market structure breakdown on USDJPY. And yeah, guys, we're gonna show you how we managed to get this entry on the 5 minute, and we're gonna show you what we're looking for in the upcoming days. So without further ado, let's get started, guys. So please, guys, if you like the video, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I appreciate the support, guys. Thank you all. So let's just remove everything. Let's go to the forward. Let's remove everything. Let's start over. So let's go on the daily. So on the daily, we can see that we have a bigger picture. Now let's zoom out. So firstly, I would want to draw structure. I want to draw structure, like put price in a structure. Like I want to identify my outer structure. So yeah, firstly I identify my outer structures, connecting my highs and my lows, basically creating a trend line. So yeah, so we see that price is in an uptrend. Price is in an uptrend, but in a channel, price is in an uptrend, creating highs and lows. You can see creating highs and lows. Price created a double top. As you guys can see, this is a double top on our first, second, third touch, double top over here. Now what we're hoping for is price to break this low, come back to retest, break this trend line, come back to retest, and go for our 90% rule, which is over here. So we'll be targeting this low, guys. We'll be looking for buying opportunities at that low. We'll be selling till that low, guys. We'll be selling till that low. So yeah, we're looking for selling opportunities, guys. Selling opportunities. So yeah, let's now we're zooming in. We want to draw another trend line. From here, from this low till that, and you guys can see that we have a breakout structure over here. You guys can see that this trend line has been respected. The trend line has been respected here, a rejection, here a rejection, and over here a rejection. But price did not fully touch our trend line. Price just slightly rejected from our trend line, broke this structure, this high, and impulse to the downside. Now price broke this uptrend line. As you guys can see, price broke it here. Now price broke it. After breaking this, price came back for a retest. As you guys can see over here, price came back for a retest. Now what we are hoping is price to come to the downside. That's what we're hoping for, price to come to the downside to the 90% rule over here. So yeah, we'll be hoping for price to come all the way to this downside here. We're hoping for price to come all the way down. So on the daily time frame, you guys can take sells and target the low. Put your high above, put your stop loss above this high, and yeah, you can target the low. That's on the daily time frame. Now let's go on the 4-hour time frame. Now on the forward time frame, we know our direction is bearish. Now we'll be looking for confluence to support our decision in price being bearish. You understand? So we're looking for that now. So we're looking for reasons for why price has to go to the downside. And we can see here, if we connect these lows over here, you can see we have a trend line. Price broke the trend line. Over here, came back to retest it and shut down. Broke this trend line on the daily time frame. Broke it, came back to retest it. Now we're going way to the downside. And you guys can see over here, we connect this low with these lows over here. We could have gotten an entry at the break of the first trend line. You guys can see we could have gotten an entry over here at this break. And target the low, which is the 90% rule. You guys can see, put our stop loss above the high, and yeah, you guys could be earning big profits, guys. Just look at that win to reward, bruh. Just look at that whole reward, guys. Yeah, Now we can also connect the higher trend lines just to get a bigger picture. Now you see price created a structure, basically a pattern. Price created a pattern, broke out of the pattern, came back to retest it over here, but retested an order block at that level. Price came back to retest an order block, this order block, and price rejected from that order block and shot to the downside. As you guys can see, you guys could have gotten another entry over here. You could have entered at this order block also. After a break of structure, wait for your retest and then enter at the order block at the retest. Then you could have targeted this low, you could have targeted the first low, or you could have targeted this low, and you'll be in profits, guys. Look at the sniper entry, guys. Sniper entries, guys. Look at the sniper entry. Now we remove the trend line. I will remove that. Now we see, okay, now price is going down. Now we want to draw a trend line over here, connecting these highs. If we see, we want to see now if price is rejecting now to go to the downside. Now we are looking for price to go to the downside, guys. Remember, we're looking for price to go to the downside. We're looking for price to go to the downside because price broke our daily trend line, which is this over here. Price broke our daily trend line, which gives us confirmation the price is heading to the downside because it broke a higher time frame trend line. You understand? So yeah, now yeah, I can spot an order block all the way up here, but I don't think price will come all the way up here. I don't think price will come all the way up there. So I'm gonna take this order block that created this fair value gap. As you guys can see, I'm gonna take this order block, the whole of the order block, just the bodies, and you guys can see that this was resistance, this was support that broke, support that turned into resistance, guys. Support that turned into resistance, and order flip. Basically, this is an order flip, guys. This is an order flip. So yeah, you can take an entry at this level over here, target this low, put your stop loss over there, and boom, tapped in profits, guys. Simple as that. Or if you guys are not sure, you guys can take out the Fibonacci tool, connect the highs and the lows, and you see price almost coming to our extreme levels, which is our 75 and 98 level. Price almost stepped into our level over there, but we missed an entry, guys. We missed an entry over a pip. So let's just draw this zone over here. Let's just identify that zone. Let's make it yellow, and let's remove the Fibonacci tool. Let's move the Fibonacci tool. You guys can see, you guys would have taken an entry over here, but missed. As you guys can see, you have taken an entry at that yellow zone, but you would have missed. You would have missed an entry. So you take it from the breaker block, or breaker block. You can also call it a breaker block. Yeah, we take it from the breaker block. So yeah, guys, so guys, we're looking for selling opportunities, guys. We're looking for selling opportunities on USDJPY, and yeah, we also in this trade, guys. We're in this trade. We're currently in this trade. So yeah, guys, now we know we're looking for selling opportunities. We identified our point of interest on the daily time frame. We entered. Now, as you guys can see, now we're looking for extra confluence. Now, as you throw this trend line over here, this trend line print was respecting it, going to the upside. As you can see, first rejection, second rejection, third rejection. Price rejected, but slightly hit the trend line, went to the upside. Price broke this trend line, came back to retest it over here. Now we're going to the downside, guys. We're going to the downside, but price is first creating a correction to go to the downside. Then price comes, create a correction here to go to the downside. correction, go to the downside, just like that, guys, just like that. That's what we are hoping price to do. Come all the way to the downside. Come all the way to the downside, target this low. So yeah, guys, this is what we are looking for and hoping price to do, guys. Yeah, boss. So guys, thank you for watching, guys. If you guys like the video, please hit the subscribe button, like button, and please guys, comment guys. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.